Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can cancel your subscription on Shopify. So let's get right into it. Now, canceling your subscription on Shopify is needed for different reasons. You might want to change to a different plan. You just might want to cancel outright and close your store, or you might want to migrate to another service which will host your online store in the future. Now, of course, there are several different plans, and you also have the free plan with which you can't use the online store functionality. However, you will be able to cancel that as well. It might differ a bit, but it doesn't really matter. Now, as you can see, I am currently on the free plan, so I really can't show you exactly how to cancel a premium one. However, I can give you the right directions and you can figure it out on your own. It's as simple as clicking a few buttons. So what you need to do is go into settings, and from there what we're going to do is go into plan. Here you're going to see your active plan. As you can see, I have a trial, and I can click cancel this trial to cancel that plan. Now, if you had a plan, you might need to view the plan details from here, and from there you will see a cancel plan button somewhere here, or cancel subscription. Once you do this, you might need to actually authorize that happening, just to confirm that it's you. You might need to click another button again to confirm, and you might need to go and check your email if there are any other sort of messages you might have gotten from Shopify just to confirm it is you. But yeah, it's pretty much as easy as that. Again, I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys specifically how, but it is what it is. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.